Okay, this is the bridge. As you can see, the crossbar are broken, totally broken, and I know they're broken on this side too, even if I see the top part. The big beam that was on top there, it's missing. Now look the space there on top of that beam. And the beam there, it's wedged. So what is supporting this bridge? Those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts, same thing on the other side. This one is crooked, the braces are missing, and the whole thing you see is tilting. The engineer decided you need a piece on each end to support the end and not all be all on those posts. There was to be a reason for it. Now, is those pieces look straight to you? Really? If you're an engineer, that is supposed to look right to you. Look at the speed this wire traveled under the bridge here. And the tide's not high yet.